Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to create your first Laravel 12 project. So let's go to the documentation. So before creating our new project, if you haven't upgraded yet from Laravel 11, so let's do that first. So if you come to the documentation, come here to the prologue and upgrade guide, and here in the upgrade guide we need to upgrade the framework to Laravel 12, and if you are using PHP unit, so that will be version 11, and if you are using PEST, that will be 3.0 or greater than that. And the support for carbon 2 has been removed, so you need carbon 3 now. So first of all, let's upgrade our global installer. So I will just copy this code and paste it in the terminal to upgrade our Laravel installer. So now our Laravel installer will be updated and we will wait for it. So it has been updated, and now let's create our Laravel 12 application now. So we will say Laravel new and then the name of the project. So let's say Laravel 12 and F. So F means past project. You can give any name to it. So now, which starter kit would you like to install? So for the sake of this video, we will not install any starter kit, or you can select React View or Live any of them, and press enter. So now you can see our Laravel 12 project has been created with the version 12. And which database will you use? So let's say we will use SQLite. So SQLite. So we will say yes to run and npm install and run build. You can choose no. So now our project has been created successfully, and now let's go to the project directory. So I will say cd laravel well f or any name that you have given to this project. And let's first check the global installer version. So let's say laravel dash dash version. So you can see the version of the installer, and now let's check the project version. So php artisan dash dash version, and now it's 12.10.2. So now let's say if I want to open the project on Visual Studio Code, so I'll say code and dot, which means the current directory. And now we have successfully created our first Laravel 12 application. And here if we come to the composer.json file, here you can see the Laravel framework version is 12, and we are using currently PHP 8.2. So now let's close this and open the terminal, and let's say PHP artisan So to open the project, and this is our new Laravel project. Okay, so it's up and running. So now let's close it. And if you have old Laravel 11 project, so how can you upgrade that? So if I come to open recent, and let's say I open this one, JetStream Live or any other one. So let's say if I open this one, let me check the version. So here you can see the Laravel version is 11.31. So now let's open the terminal and let's check it here as well. So PHP artisan dash version, and here you can see the project version is 11.43.2. So now let's remove this, and here we will say 12 point star, and here we will say composer, so let's just write Laravel 12 and check it again. Composer update. Okay, so it's done. Now let's check the version. So we will say what is not working. So PHP artisan and dash version, and now you can see project version is 12.10.2. So that's how you can upgrade your old project in from Laravel 11 to Laravel 12. So that's all about this video, and see you in the next video.